Quick 100, boys. What's up, YouTube? And welcome back to another video. We did the night ride last night, dropped that video. So today we're headed out to El Cajon, also known as El Patron Harley Davidson. They're throwing on some kind of event. I just want to go check it out. I don't know how lit it's gonna be, but I'm gonna bring y'all along with me. They're really pushing like this bikini contest. You know, I'm gonna get in on that. Might have to throw on one of my bikinis, and nah, I'm kidding. Oh man, I got jokes. Hey, I got some riders behind me right now. Let's fucking go, son. Let's fucking go, dude. Fucking moving, son. This bike definitely does not flick like the sport bikes do. Hell yeah, brother. Hell yeah, brother. Let's do it, dude. And the fucking R1. What's up, man? Pretty good. We'll follow them. Oh boy. Where do we pull up? Guess right here. All right, let's see what we got going on, man.
Coming up here right now, we've got the Bikini Coast International Bikini Competition. This is not your average bikini competition. These girls are professionals.
Alright, y'all. Honestly, not too bad. Definitely a smaller turnout than San Diego Harley, but still not bad. I stuck around for a little bit, get you guys a little bit of content, but Jesus, man, it is hot as fuck out here. You know, we're past the mountains here in San Diego, so it's definitely brutal when it comes to the heat. But yeah, let's get back to the bike. Alright, y'all. El Patron Harley, I guess that's their new name. Here's some of the turnout. Not too bad, but we're gonna whip a Yui here. What the fuck? Oh. My fault, but how does that happen, my guy? Doesn't even look like another car hit him. Looks like he just lost control. Holy shit, we're going against the wind and I can feel it, dude. I'm getting some kind of wind buffeting right now, actually, which is kind of strange.